Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a Google document. We will cover two main methods to add your signature directly within the document. First, you will learn to use the drawing tool to create a handwritten signature. Then, I will show you how to insert an image of your signature. Finally, we will discuss important tips for positioning and resizing your signature for a professional look. To draw your signature, begin by opening your Google document and finding the exact spot where your signature should go. Next, navigate to the Insert menu at the top, select Drawing, and then click New. In the drawing window that appears, find the line tool icon, click its drop-down, and choose Scribble. Now, carefully draw your signature. Once satisfied, click Save and close to place it in your document. If you already have a digital image of your signature, this method is for you. First, ensure your signature image is ready, perhaps as a PNG or JPEG file. In your Google document, go to Insert, then Image. You can then choose to upload it from your computer or select it from your Google Drive. After inserting, you can easily drag, resize, and reposition the image to fit perfectly within your document. For a professional finish, always place your signature directly on the designated signature line. When resizing, aim for a natural appearance, not too large or too small. Utilize the image options, specifically text wrapping, to set your signature in front of text. This allows for free movement and precise placement. Finally, double-check that your signature is clear and easily readable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.